This machine is a recently finished shuttle vac-forming machine by Modern Machinery. The machine was built around an existing form station that was recommissioned from a prior build. The form station was in good condition, so we decided to build a new machine around the form structure. The form station consists of electric platens utilizing a chain drive system powered by SEW gear motors. We used the welded platens, drive shafts, guide posts, and gears, and replaced the bushings during the assembly process. The machine is sized for a 5-foot by 6-foot maximum mold size. The bottom platen has 24 inches of stroke, and the top platen has 48 inches of stroke. The sheet car has a SEW electric drive and is fitted with modern standard 4-way adjustable clamp frames. The oven is populated with 3-inch by 5-inch 400-watt quartz heaters and is zoned for 82 zones of control, giving approximately 1 square foot of zone control across the top and bottom ovens. The bottom oven is equipped with an oven air jet feature to quickly cool misloaded sheet and a safety screen for removing drop sheet. An Bradley PLC controls the machine with a 17-inch touchscreen display for operator interaction. The vacuum system has both an upper and lower vacuum and air circuit. A 500-gallon vacuum reservoir is included. The machine is priced to sell, so please contact us with any questions.